Okay, so at long last, the Npp Primaries now it has come to an end. And yen him say Honorable Kennedy AGYAPONG Abusua we losing the more pa. And the reigning champion, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Kramo say lead the Npp party no Edomako Boshe Assassin so 2028 NDC versus Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now the question here they say Bawumia ebetimi a right candidate to face the NDC government and as a NDC party na yenim say any election dey ohwe marginal dey ewini ya in fact ano edin pa aye nyina begia tum say opini no waya dey delegate so etimi ayade na me no kesa dey eye Dr. Bryan ACHEAM wetimi ewramu asane message asafre Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene no adwuma maye no efeye pa omama peace democracy ena ewini uni say yentimi nka say NPP na ewini ana say eye osama nyuko no en ewini but this time around no democracy ena ewini ti Dr. Bryan ACHEAM etimi ewramu afre Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene nakasa wetimi asane well wishes ediama obampani ana say obampani a wonam kwaso a wo ba yebewramu ne ahwese de ensem no esitie. Now the question here is Kennedy AGYAPONG, is he going to accept results na etimi atodwa no anase obeka se obe challenge results no ebusia ken ewramu ede ne final message ama Ghana ensembe eno kaye yeba betie de eko ene ne eba. Now uremu all Kennedy camp wa Abrana county no ekoso no also yetimi edi nkomo 1 or 2 edi free wa yebetimi ewramu ne etie de eko ene ne eba na kodwo opon kroma ene honorable ono so de ensem kakra atodwo enti mesre bebia wo bia no ahete subscribe button so edi amaye na bibia etimi akwe. So fast forward yenko na yenhwese de ensem ni sitie wo abra Dr. Bryan ACHEAM etimi ewramu after say results no ono ahwe de eko ne ne eba no etimi se da bi ontimi emeki enti as quickly as possible na ese otimi efa phone na offer Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eyekramo offer no na otimi send congratulatory message edema opinion yenko yenkotie anase yenko hwese de enkomo no esifa ekoye.
I just called to congratulate you for very good elections. Why are there? Why?
You have done very well. You have done very well.
I think this is a God factor. So let's keep it like that. Oyerepa head office or?
Yeah.
Okay, intimation or now, then we close up nicely. Why?
Okay.
But big brother, congratulations.
Yeah,
Democracy has won. Internal elections have won. All right then. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Doc, congrats too.
Thank you very much. 1957.
Is that what you were expecting to get? Or you were expecting something better?
I'm looking at what I got. I was expecting Bawumia's vote in my box. It didn't happen, but that's life. Everything that we have done has deepened democracy in Ghana, in the world. We've contributed to humanity. We got a God factor, getting me almost 35,000 votes, in 4 months. So we're very, very happy with the results that we got. We had hoped that we would get more than 50%. We didn't, and like I said, somebody got it. We go cheer him up, and we move on with our lives.
Dr. Bryan, what's next for you?
Life.
Love?
Life is next.
Oh, life, okay.
Yes, life is next. We have to press on. We are all, just like you are doing, contributing to democracy, the development of our country by doing a good job, being a blogger, pushing our content and all that. You are all adding something to our society. So am I. This is what I do, politics. This part is over. We wait for what's next. And you talk to God, you talk to family, you talk to friends, and then you press on with life. That's how these things work.
I've heard some of your people saying agenda, Bryan for running mate. Is this something you're going to support?
No, I mean, those conversations, we shouldn't be having them. At this time, somebody has won elections. I have lost an elections. The results are yet to be announced, and then you are talking about other things that I know nothing about. So let's take it one minute at a time.
Doc, thank you.
Very well.
Okay, it is in there. Kramo ni aji ene kramo be Philippa nye easy enti eno so eno no. Now Kennedy obe accepte anase won accepte Ken e de ensem atodwa utim se ekwan of aso kra she ne kasa na se no e che se ono akasa wagitum se enya yeye president in party wan hwe wonya bi ni yenko ni nkuti Ken ne nsem a eno so ode tudwa.
I want to take this opportunity to thank Team Ken for the wonderful work you've done. I mean, we all admit we work hard, but God's time is the best. He knows what is good for us. I know most of you are dejected. You have to keep your spirit up, because once we have life, we have hope, we have everything. Yes. So don't be dejected. Yes. And the advice I give is, I have taken it coolly, because in politics, you can win, you can lose. Anytime I speak to you guys and tell you we can win, we can lose, you say, oh, win, win. But I'm a veteran politician, so I know. I've gone through several defeats, and therefore I cushioned myself and expected the worst. And the worst has happened. But the worst doesn't mean that is the end of life. Sure. So keep faith alive. Yes. And be happy with the outcome. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? So I'm pleading with all of you not to do anything. We have to stay calm. We believe in the party. The delegates have spoken. We have to take it. That's the advice I want to give all of us. But with what is in store for us tomorrow, so especially Team Ken, the good work that you've done, I want to show my appreciation. And at an appropriate time, we'll meet and dine together.
Yes.
What I want to say again is that do not use this against anybody in the party. Once they have decided, let's all come together as party members and work together.
No way. It won't happen. No way. No vote. No way.
You should all relax. You should all relax. I know we have 3 years to go. Who knows what will happen? So I want you to be patient. Don't say that who can no vote. So if it had been kept, if it had been kept, what would other contestants, supporters have said? So no can do vote should be out. Let's come together as one people. But at an appropriate time, you will see how things unfold. Don't worry. God will take care of you. God will take care of you. He knows today was going to come. We didn't know. But God that created us knew today would definitely come to pass. We have experienced that in 2023. So today is no different. So I'm begging you, stay calm. There's a lot of food. Go in there, eat. We have champagne, wine, beer. Eat what you can eat. And let's see what tomorrow has for us. Thank you very much.
Okay, it's Ken. Abusia, where they are kremo afa. Where they are kremo afa. And I think say For NPP to bounce harder, no, I think the only alternative, and say this time around, no, the vice and as a running mate, the obey vice, no, Edema Dr. Mahmoud, no. I wish so obey pick Ken. Or pick Ken, I think say a bit change the complexion or how reflection be for ako as far as say the main election no is concerned. Yes, the 2028 election no is concerned. Keeping Honorable Dr. Martin Opoku Prempeh, I think ebema esakwa koye results no ahwebe de see here in ano nibi. But picking Ken as the running mate no, I think say a bit much assassin mama figures being so bit me assassin. Now what we need here, I pray say sumnya bit mama na dwene na obehu how obesifa a position ho. Me one person there, I don't think say so keep it Dr. Martin Opoku Prempeh. And I wish say Dr. Nemu Martin Opoku Prempeh so bit me African. Nanka waka chen say this time round no opese will stay back nanka opeke Ken na mo hwe ade I think say no so ka ensure that enye bad e wo honom enti wona me ya adwen no achewa adwen wona me ya adwen so a eno so obetimi the opinion at honom then Ken camp omo sha say akan na omo ahye da ehu say de ka kon de emfa ti san komo wi
dear delegates
Mommy, voting is done, counting is underway. How is it going for your candidate Ken Agyapong?
well what am I going to say? It's not going very well for him, but I'm really surprised at the delegates again. I told them last time, I said, you bring Bawumia, you go to opposition. You are bringing back Bawumia. Let me tell you, and I'm saying it with authority, Bawumia will never, ever be president in Ghana here. Never. He came to destroy the MPP, just like his father destroyed UP. He has destroyed MPP, and that's the end. I'm telling you.
What's the basis for saying he won't be president of Ghana?
I am telling you. Do you want me to tell you something?
Tell me.
We are 75% of Christians. Muslims are 14%. The other religion is the other 11. So let me tell you something. When you go with the other, what the other religion, when they talk or say, so from there, they join the Christians. So I will tell you something. Christian right now is what, 11, or maybe I'll just cut it 6 plus 75, which is 81. There's no way anywhere in this world that majority will let a minority lead. And if you let a minority, I'll give you an example. Just go to the parliament. Is it possible that the majority there will let a minority lead them? It's a question. It's a simple question.
Is it about religion basis?
But let me tell you, everywhere in this world, everywhere, you cannot go to a Muslim land and you Christian tell them you want to lead them. They will cut off your tongue. You see, that's what they don't understand. We don't have a problem with any Muslim. We don't. But they won't. I'm telling you.
So now, is your camp going to support Bawumia going into the 2020
Of course.
election?
But we will never win.
You are supporting him, but you know you know win.
Well, of course. We know. And I tell you, the big people, the people, hey, they know that Bawumia would never win.
Honorable Kojo Opon Kroma enso kakra eto aso edema yi na utim se omunya ni age se osona monyuko no ewini nebom no ankoye mentime ho ase ene se de na enipa bi eso ebesifa akono enije epimo ediama NPP.
This was not in doubt as we did a lot of research across the country and engaged with the delegates. We were very clear that we were going to win. Sometimes you hear people doing prophecies and some sort of polls that were coming up. None of those actually gave us any worries.
You were not perturbed at all?
No. Because, I mean, we knew the real data and we knew where we had problems, but not some of those fictional things that were put out. For us, it was expected, but it is not a moment to gloat or to be overexcited. It's a moment of sober reflection so that we're in a position to do the very difficult work that has been laid on his shoulders.
Okay. Now, prior to this primaries, there were clearly factions, especially between your camp and that.
Inti videos ahodo ni nyina no obaso a na wache wadwene ene kramo obefili pa na oda obeda isan se wabre enye easy ti abusu obaso a che wadwene o comment section